Greetings to everyone who is watching us right now. In today's video, we are going to go over the difference between the phrase a little and a few. So let's have some fun and learn something new today. Before we go through all the details, let's first take a look at our example here. Ali drinks a little orange juice every morning. So what would be the correct answer? A few or a little? Both a little and a few are used to talk about small quantities. I usually put a little sugar in my tea. I drink a few cups of tea every day. So in our first example, we have a little sugar. In our next example, we have a few cups. So why do we use a little for sugar and a few for cups? A little is used with the non-count nouns. For example, a little work, a little advice, a little rain, happiness, milk, joy, spaghetti, furniture, juice. All these words are non-count nouns. That means we cannot make a plural form. You cannot say works or rains or joys or milks. They are only used in singular. Therefore, we are using a little. If we go back to our first slide, we would see the correct answer. Ali drinks a little orange juice every morning. A little juice. We have a little time before our class. A little time. Lucas usually puts a little milk in his coffee. A little milk. Mom, I need a little help with my homework. A little help. I am not a vegetarian. That's why I often have a little meat for dinner. A little meat. I have a little money left. A little money. I really need a little peace right now. A little peace. What about a few? A few is used with the plural count nouns. For example, a few hours, a few problems, a few steps, days, cups, stories, places, countries, attempts. So all these words are used with a few because they are plural count nouns. Hours, problems, steps, days, and so on. They are plural count nouns. I have a few questions about our projects. I've got just a few mistakes on my test. A few mistakes. How long does it take to get the results? You need to wait a few hours. A few hours. How far is the drugstore? It's a few blocks away. A few blocks. This article has a few unfamiliar words. A few words. When I'm in the store, I usually buy a few boxes of cereal. A few boxes. Thank you so much for being with us today. If you really enjoyed this lesson, please share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.